Good morning, students. Today we are going to see Production in Economics, Part 2. Now, we are going to check our previous day's assignment. Now we are going to have a quick short recap from our previous day's lesson. Production. Production is a process of combining various material inputs and immaterial inputs in order to make something for consumption. What are the three types of utility? Yes, form utility, place utility, and time utility. What is form utility? If the physical form of a commodity is changed, its utility may increase. What is place utility? If a commodity is transported from one place to another, its utility may increase. And the last one, time utility. If a commodity is stored for future usage, its utility may increase. And today, we are going to continue with the topic production. What is production? Production is the process of making, harvesting, or creating something. An example of production is harvesting corn to eat. Now say, what is production? Production is the process of making, harvesting, or creating something. There are three types of production. What are they? Primary production, secondary production, tertiary production. What are the three types of production? Primary production, secondary production, and tertiary production. Let's see primary production. Primary production is carried out by extractive industries like agriculture, forestry, fishing, mining, and oil extraction. Yes, by agriculture, we are getting different types of fruits, vegetables, cereals, and pulses, isn't it? Yes, from forest we are getting, yes, wood, medicines, etc., isn't it? Yes, by fishing we are getting different types of fishes. And from mines, we are getting gold, silver, and some other metals. Then by oil extraction, we are getting petrol. These industries are engaged in such activities as extracting the gifts of nature from the earth's surface, from beneath the earth's surface, and from the oceans. Next, secondary production. What is secondary production? Produce a product by utilizing the products produced through primary level of manufacturing is called secondary production. Now say, what is secondary production? Produce a product by utilizing a primary product is called secondary production. For example, wheat flour is a primary product. Using this primary product, bread is manufactured, which is a secondary product. Iron ore into finished steel. This is also another one example for secondary production. They are generally described as manufacturing and construction industries, such as the manufacture of cars, furnishing, clothing, and chemicals, as also engineering and building. Next, tertiary production. What is tertiary production? Industries in the tertiary sector produce all those services which enable the finished goods to be put in the hands of consumers. In fact, these services are supplied to the firms in all types of industries and directly to consumers. For example, covered distributive traders, banking, insurance, transport, and communications. Government services such as law, administration, education, health, and defense are also included. And now we are going to have a short recap from today's lesson. What are the three types of production? Yes, primary production, secondary production, and tertiary production. What is primary production? This includes all those industries involved in the first stage on the production process. They are at the primary stage of production. It included the extractive industries such as coal mining, iron, agriculture, fishing, etc. Then what is secondary production? This includes all those industries involved in manufacturing the finished goods from the raw materials provided by the primary producers. It included textile manufacturers, motor car industries, steel industries, consumer good industries, etc. And the last one, tertiary production. In the tertiary sector produced all those services which enable the finished goods to be put in the hands of consumers. And now we are into the last part of this session. See the assignment carefully. We'll meet you in the next class.